Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the Shark IQ AV1010AE with XL self-empty base. Here are its features. Forget about vacuuming for up to a month. A bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. Faster mapping. Faster mapping speed for a quicker total home map compared to the previous model, RV1001AE. Better carpet cleaning. Improved carpet cleaning performance compared to the previous model, RV1001AE. Multi-surface cleaning. Multi-surface brush roll pulls in all kinds of dirt and debris from carpets and floors. Phone or voice command. Schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Powerful suction. Deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. Total home mapping plus room select. Maps your home and lets you choose which rooms to clean immediately. Perfect for homes with pets. Designed for homes with pets, this automatic vacuum features a self-empty base, a multi-surface brush roll, and a multi-stage filtration system to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens. IQ navigation with total home mapping. Instead of randomly bouncing, Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL maps your home and cleans row by row, room to room. Total home mapping with room select. Home mapping lets you select which rooms to clean immediately, or schedule a whole home clean, through the app. Row by row cleaning. Delivers 50% better coverage by cleaning row by row without repeating areas, versus Shark Ion R750. Recharge and resume. Returns to the base, recharges, and can pick up where it left off. App and voice control. Tell your robot where or when to clean with the app or with voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Ultimate convenience. Your robot empties automatically after every cleaning session into a bagless base that holds up to 30 days worth of dust and debris. Powerful suction. The Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL tackles large debris, small debris, and stuck-on dust on your floors and carpets. Specifications. Package dimensions: 19.4 by 14.6 by 10.6 inches. Item weight: 17.66 pounds. Manufacturer: Shark Ninja. Item model number: AV1010AE. Included components: 1. Filter, 1. Self-empty base, 2. Side brushes, 1. Shark IQ Robot. Batteries: 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Included. Best sellers rank: number 10,597 in home and kitchen. Assembly required: yes. Batteries required: yes.